Do I need to push myself to exercise so I can lose more weight? Well, this is a question that I have from people that complain about they are already so tired and they haven't got enough energy, but because they want to lose some weight, they push themselves to exercise. They go in the gym, get on the treadmill, run and run and run and run and run. Guess what happened? They just run themselves down so fast, they're getting so frustrated. Of course. See, say example, if you have a car that you wanted to run beautifully, don't you want to have regular service and maintenance done so the car will do whatever you want, will take you anywhere you want? Same thing with your body and your exercise. If you have an able body, then you can do anything you want. You can go on the marathon too. But first, we must nurture our body. Give our body what it wants so it can generate enough energy to do the exercise you want. One other thing you need to be cautious of is if you are already tired and you don't have enough energy, you force yourself to do the exercise, that may be harmful or damage to you. So think about that. Next time, if you think that you really want to get up and do something, to do a run or a walk, ask your body, are you okay to do that? Do you have enough energy? What shall I do? Shall I give you some more energy boost food until you are satisfied, and then we can go on to do some exercise? So I hope that helped you to decide how you're going to exercise. Your body is like an engine room. It needs fuel first, and then it will operate properly for you. All right? So put your comments below. If you have any other questions you'd like me to answer, please do that. I'd love to hear from you. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.